This is the brief on affordable smart manufacturing. Commercial factory software usually demands massive capital investments, starting around $20,000, locking small plants out of Industry 4.0. But a new open-source architecture is completely shattering this financial barrier. First, this solution ditches those expensive fees by using open-source Python libraries, specifically PyCom3, to talk directly to factory machines, or PLCs. It delivers enterprise-grade data for literally just the hardware cost, driving a massive 95% reduction in total ownership costs. It's kind of like using a free universal remote for your factory floor instead of buying a $20,000 proprietary clicker. So we know it's cheap, but how does it securely grab that data? Second, it relies on a foolproof loop. A machine finishes a cycle, triggers a signal, Python grabs the data, logs it to a local CSV file, and resets. Now you might be wondering, is relying on a simple CSV file secure enough for factory operations? Absolutely. It uses a simplified Purdue model, isolating the machine network with a dedicated VLAN and NAT router so everyday office traffic can't interfere with factory logic. Finally, this isn't just a basic ledger. It's a launchpad for business intelligence. That CSV automatically syncs to Google's Looker Studio for cloud visualization, while Python's SciPy library calculates process capabilities and catches drift. Managers can adjust machines based on statistical reality, not guesswork, boosting efficiency by up to 20% and cutting paper tracking by 100%. Open-source Python tools prove you don't need enterprise-level budgets for enterprise-grade factory intelligence. Scale is no longer an excuse to stay in the digital dark ages.